Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hey, my name is Cincy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Today we have $145 to cash stuff, you guys, my rent slash bill binder, and some saving challenges. I don't have a lot. $80 basically going towards my car maintenance. So yeah, there's that. And the reason I don't have a lot, you guys, is because yesterday was Wednesday and I didn't work Wednesday. I was off, so I usually have a little bit more for today. But it is what it is. So happy I was able to complete my rent and bill binder. This week I always pay Alex the first week of the month. So yeah, so all my envelopes are half and half with him, and also my rent is half and half, and then the rest, everything else, he pays for, like going out, getting some groceries, getting little ice cream, little treats and stuff like that. So I mainly help him out with bills and rent. So all of the envelopes here are actually gonna get $5 today. So all that money is gonna go today from here. So Alabama Power is my power bill. It's just, that's the name of it. It's called Alabama because I'm in the state of Alabama, and then Power because, you know, power bill. I don't know, that's the name of it. Alabama Power, $5, and that one is usually for 60. Eric's bed is my oldest son. We got him a bed set, and we pay $40. I pay $40, he pays $40, so that's half of that. $5 on that one. Gas is the gas bill for the house, not for gas for my car. This is for the house. That one is for $86, and we add in a $5. Insurance is my car insurance, and it's $144, and we're adding a $5. Okay, next internet, that's $40, and I'm adding a $5. And last but not least is rent, which is the highest, is $500, and I'm adding a $5. Okay, something is better than nothing, right? Yeah, so yesterday, you guys, I know I talked about that stuff was gonna go down at work at the meeting, and I'm not in the meeting. It was only Alex in the meeting. He did tell me a little bit went down. They were scared that Alex was going to leave, and because Alex told everybody what was going down there, so the boss boy was gonna leave, the dishwasher was gonna leave, 3 servers was gonna be leaving, so 5 people were gonna be gone like that, because they know the deal, and they were scared. But eventually I myself I'm hoping to get away from that. I don't want to be involved in that anymore. I'm just hoping that one day I get a call from where I want to work again, and they tell me, hey, this spot's available, and if it fits my schedule, if it fits what I like, hopefully I can go back. I just hope on that. Maybe one day, maybe a month from now or 2, who knows. But I have decided I no longer want to be there, because my deal with me is with my father-in-law. That's the main deal with me and him, back and forth. No, she answers me bad. No, she does this to me. Bruh. Okay, but you don't answer bad, right? But you don't do shit to me, right? Whatever. So yeah, anyways, so this is my oiled maintenance envelope for my car here. So on this one, we're gonna add $80. So 50, 60, 70, and 80. I told you guys all that money was gonna be gone. All right, so let's count how much we actually have. I think we have a good amount now for my oil, and we may get something else done. I don't know. They might tell me. I know I need some filters. I just know that for a fact. All right, so 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76. So 176. So I should be good. I'm hoping. Finger crossed. Not sure. But you never know, right? You never know. Okay. So at least I have that. So that's exciting. All right. Now let's start here, and let's scratch off this bad boy here. And let's see how much we're going to scratch. Let's count on number 2. So 1 and 2. Okay, so let's scratch that. Koala, This is from Becca Budget, 777. Got it in a Happy Meal. I always say that. So we are adding $4, as you can tell. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, $4. Yes, ma'am. I'm going to add as much as I can to my envelopes, so we will see where we get or how far we get. We may not get too far, but for sure we're gonna add a little bit. Okay, you gotta stretch the money that you have and deal with what you got. All right, so there's that. This one is the Hello Kitty, you guys. I want to finish this one so bad, so bad. We're going to add a 5 because we did half of that. We added a half of that, so it's 10, but we added a half, so that's a 5. So we're gonna finish and add another 5, and we're done with that one. So now we need exactly $30 to complete that one. So I mean, I could add more right now. I could add more, but I don't want to add more because I want to add more money to more envelope. I want to, you know, add a little bit of love to the rest of the envelopes. Okay, so there is that. This one is my Christmas one, and I know the numbers are so high on this ones, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hold on. All right, so the second highest is actually a 10. Okay, so let's actually do that. Look, a 10. Why not? Okay, not bad, not bad. Not too bad. Ooh, I want to sneeze. Oh my goodness. Why? Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Oof. And it's one of those where like it burns your nose. You know that one? Have you guys had those? I hate that. Why does it burn my nose? I hate that one. Okay, so now we have 10, 10, 10, 8, and 8. So 3 more 10s to go. Yay! More money for those Christmas challenges that I've been doing. Oh my goodness, I need to add more to that book. All right, a cup of saving. The highest after that is a 12. I don't think I have a 12. Well, you know what? I'm actually going to skip this one. Let's skip this one. We're gonna skip this one because this one I need 36, I believe, or 37. If I'm not mistaken, I need 37. All right, we are actually gonna add a 5 on this one. We're going to add a $5 on this one, and this one will save me 35. Ooh, okay. There we go. Oh my gosh, that looks awful. I should have not redone the coloring. It's okay. All right, so $5 in here. So now I have 15 so far, and we are gonna be getting 75 once we finish. Oh my gosh, the envelopes are just bananas. Okay, there we go. Awesome sauce. All right, and next, let's see. Now I only have dollars. This is for my eye exam. So, and glasses, I'm gonna add $2 on that. Why not? $2 eye exam and glasses. Okay, now this is my emergency fund. Well, my 1,000 emergency fund envelope. I'm gonna add a 2 on that. Okay, $2. Sure, why not? Let's add a $2 as well on my car, my vacation envelope. $2. Okay, and then Dylan is my youngest. We're gonna add $2 on that for Dylan. My oldest is Eric, and we're gonna add $2 on that for Eric. Okay, those are for like his savings. And last but not least, Alex, who's my boo thing, he's gonna get $1. Okay, there you go. There you got it. Oh my gosh, there you have it, guys. Look, now my envelopes are thick. Look at that bad boy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Your time is precious. You know that. I appreciate every single of you guys. I'll see you back again tomorrow for mini Friday. No, freebie Friday. Yes. So thank you so much for spending your time with me. Your time is precious, and I see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.